Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to find the trash in your Samsung Galaxy A27. Trash is a folder of recently deleted photos or recently deleted files that you can open in order to find the files that you've deleted, to recover them or delete them permanently. If you don't do it, they will automatically get deleted permanently after about a month. So let's do it. Now it's possible in a few places, so I'll show you all of them. First of all, the gallery on your phone. In the gallery, I can select a photo to delete it. And now it's moved to the recycle bin. I need to now go to the menu and find recycle bin. Now it's there and it says it'll stay there for 30 days. If I want, I can click on select this one, and I can either restore it or delete it permanently. Then you can also do it in Google Photos. Google Photos is something that synchronizes with your Google Cloud, and if you delete something there, it will appear in the bin, in Collections bin. Then select the photo and you can see it'll stay there for 59 days. I can delete it or restore it. Now let's go to files, because files can also be managed that way. And you can either go to My Files, this like Samsung app. And if I select this file and I'll press and hold, then I'll click on delete, move to recycle bin. Then it will appear in the recycle bin, which is here. I can now select it and delete it or restore it. I'll delete it. And now the last place is the Google files, which I don't think I have them. Yeah, I don't have them, so it's okay. But if you had them, it would basically be the same way as Google Photos. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.